Hi guys, welcome to Ultraframe Windows and Doors at Matraville. I just want to run through you with a upVC front door product today. This is the front door. You can have rails and panels and different formulas of glass in it. The doors all come with a multi-point locking system. So when you lift the handle up, the cam goes up and down. The center bit is a latch, and then this is a deadbolt. So what happens is when you latch the door, it actually holds the door. When you lift the handle up, the cam's located behind the keepers. When you turn the key, that engages the deadbolt. That's then locked and secure. When you want to open the door, it's very simple. You just turn the key back and then you press the handle down. You'll notice with the noise difference even off the road, it's a very, very efficient door for noise efficiency and obviously thermal values. Thank you for your time, and that's a upVC front door.